Hey guys, 1213 gaming slash entertainment here, and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing a vid with my friend Ginger Robot. Ginger Robot. Okay, so right now, Blood and Iron, where's your chat? There you go. I'll tell him to join. Okay, video started. Video started. Video started. Let me just see.
He's at Joe's, actually. Either that or the courthouse. I managed to hack into the main monitor. I digitally scrubbed the video less than it was.
Okay, that's better. Wait. Oh, sorry. Why are you saying sorry? What? What? You?
Let's get to work. What's yours in the courthouse? How you doing?
Okay, can you guys hear me? I think you can hear, yeah. So, oh, sorry for not joining her. That's okay. Oh, sorry for not joining. What were you gonna say? Those little bubble things. You were gonna say something. What were you gonna say? I'm gonna like that because it's a good game. I'm just gonna go in and hopefully he'll join in. Because I don't want this episode to be boring for you guys. If it is boring, I'll just redo. Hopefully that is not open. Has he joined? Has he joined? What? Has he joined? 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 Battle. Oh, oh, great! Wait, escape out and for not joining, join now. Join now. Join now. Join now. Join now. Frosty snowman. Sorry about that. Blood. It's a thing in your body. Okay. Blood and iron. Irony. The Battle of the Spanish Farmstead. The Battle of the Spanish Farmstead. Battle, British people, UK, UK. Oh no, Ginger's what I call Ginger Robot. Ginger, you to battle. 4, 3, 2. Ginger.
In Murder, Clifford DeVoe in Cold Blood. Alright, Mr. Rowan, just sign on this online and you'll see these.
Ooh.
Appreciate you helping me out. I want to get this right. It's my first savings account.
Ooh. Range. Okay. Ginger. I see you there, Ginger. Ginger. What are you? Ginger Robot. Okay, Ginger. Ginger is what I call Ginger Robot for short, cause I'm his buddy. And I don't think he minds. I think. I should think about that. I really should think about that. Yes, sir. Ginger. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Where are you, Ginger? Ginger! I like this person because he is my friend. Has vid started? Yes. Okay. What do you mean by M8?
What happened here? Vintage Central City, leaning on a weird one. No data breach, nothing stolen, everyone just collapsed. Officers in the hospital interviewing people down, but so far no one was like, oh, dark matter city. Yeah, we're definitely dealing with a matter here. You want to see what kind of perimeter we're dealing with? Read my mind. And Joe, I'm sure you're okay to run this case. Because I totally understand if you need a little time. I'm fine, really. I may have to go over to the courthouse later. Yeah, I'm actually going over there myself. The prosecution called me to testify. I'm sorry, John. You know how much I care about Barry, but I have to tell you what I know. I get it. You gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah.
Okay. Sorry about that random silence. I'm quite good at doing that. Have I shot that? Have I shot the teammate? It means that UI is on your team. Wait, I should reload. Reloading. Ginger! Ginger, wait for me. Oh. Okay, you against us.
No further questions.
Okay, No! Who did that? Ginger! It was you! 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 Run! Oh, that's sad. That is so sad. Oh, da 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 da. Press N for many kills. Wow, someone just said that in the chat. Turn off the chat. Okay, battles. Okay, which one are you joining, Ginger? Ginger's joining this one, so I'll join that one. Infantry of that. I'm just gonna go with the infantry. Ginger is in this team, right? Yep. Ginger. No, I was too late. MLG skill. Oh, what is wrong with you, Ginger? Ginger. Ginger, Ginger. Ginger. Press M to change your equipment. M. Whoa. M. N. M. Battle. I'm gonna go join this team. Press. How long is this video? 12 minutes. I think that's long enough. After this battle, I'll do one more battle. Ginger, 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 Ginger notice me, notice me. I know he cannot notice me because I'm a spectator. How come you guys get wood? I don't know. What is that screaming all about? Wait a second. Run! 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 Everyone run! Run! Ginger! Are you Ginger? Who's Ginger? Where's Ginger? Where's Ginger? No, that's not Ginger! Ginger! No! Ginger! Ginger! Watch out! Ginger! Ginger! Where are you? Ginger? No! I need Ginger. Meaning Ginger will go. Where is he? Is he dead? Don't say that he's dead. Don't say that he's dead. I'm just looking. Wait, has he quit the game? Has he left the game? Yep, he has. I think that video will do for now. So yeah. I'm gonna say hi. Why did you leave? Hi, why did you leave? Come down to the new Roblox Got Talent group. No! Why did he leave that? Actually, that is a good question. Why did he leave? Ketchup. And I'll have 5 minutes of Let's play